Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can increase profit per hour in Hamster Kombat. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app and run the Hamster Kombat app. Now, in order to increase the profit per hour rate, you will need to upgrade it. For that, tap on the Profit per Hour tab and this window will open up. Here, first get to the Markets tab and start upgrading the tokens that increase the profit per hour rate. There are two tokens that I would like to discuss. First one is the Fan token and the second one is Staking. So just need to get to either of the tokens and start upgrading them. Next, tap on the PR and Team tab from the top and then look for the token named Influencers. As you can see, it is locked, and in order to unlock it, you will need level 5x. So just get to the X token and start upgrading it. Once you are done, get back to the Influencers token and upgrade it to get more profit per hour. There are also other tokens that you can use like IT team, product team, partnership program, and the security team. Next, tap on the legal header at the top and then make sure to unlock and upgrade all of the licensed tokens. You can also try doing the same thing with margin tokens in the Markets tab to increase the profit. That's how you can increase profit per hour in Hamster Kombat. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.